Guys, I am here to prove how we can prove superluminosity is in the superluminosity the energy is inversely proportional to the velocity. Now let's take m as infinite, v as velocity of the object, c as velocity of light. Here kinetic energy of light is equal to half infinite c square and kinetic energy of object is equal to half infinite v square. Let v equal to x equal to c, or c is equal to v equal to x. Here, therefore, the kinetic energy evolved is equal to half infinite v minus c squared, or half infinite x minus c squared, which can be done as half infinite m squared minus half infinite c squared. X is velocity of object, c is the velocity of light. Here we need to know that here the object and light have the specific velocity, which we denote x vector product b vector, that is v vector, that is equal to x v vector, and c product v vector is equal to cv. We need to know here that c is greater than x, therefore half infinite v square and in half infinite c square, ultimately this will be greater than this. Now let x be greater than c, therefore half infinite x square is greater than half infinite c square. Now we use inverse square rule. Therefore half infinite 1 by x will be less than half infinite c square. Okay. Now let us take half infinite 1 by x will be less than half infinite c, since we are given that c is greater than x. But in 1 by inverse square rule, as we know that x is greater than c, but in inverse square rule, c will be greater than x, or the speed of light will be greater than the speed of object. Now let us take x be greater than y. Therefore, half infinite 1 by y will be less than half infinite 1 by x will be less than half infinite product c. X will be x vector and y we don't know. Therefore, half infinite 1 by y will be greater than half infinite 1 by vector x greater than half infinite velocity of. We conclude here that half infinite v vector, and that will be x vector minus c, half infinite square times vector can be written as this, half infinite v, that is vector is cubed 3 times, can be written as like this, and so on. So we can say v is equal to n summation v is greater than 0, v is greater than or equal to 1. So we can say that Vn is equal to infinite taken up to infinity. By this rule, in superluminosity, we tell that half infinite 1 by y will be less than half infinite 1 by vector x will be less than half infinite c. Therefore, in superluminosity, luminosity energy is 1 upon derivative of V by. Hence, it is proved that in superluminosity, energy is inversely proportional to the velocity. And thanks for the video. Please like and subscribe.